This video has a couple examples of calculations involving mass percent. So the equation is the mass of the solute over the mass of the solution times 100%. And like with volume, it doesn't matter what the units of the masses are as long as they are the same. So our first sample problem, a lot of words. Calcium chloride can be used instead of road salt to melt the ice on roads during the winter. To determine how much calcium chloride has been used on a nearby road, a student took a sample of slush to analyze. The sample had a mass of 23.47 grams. When the solution was evaporated, the residue had a mass of 4.58 grams. And we're going to assume that no other solutes were present, which is probably not realistic. We're going to assume that that mass is all calcium chloride. So what was the mass percent of calcium chloride in the slush? So we've got those two masses in the question, right? The 4.58 is the mass of the solute, and the 23.47 grams is the mass of the solution, and we're going to calculate the mass percent. Checking the units, are they the same? Yes, they are, so we can go ahead with the calculation. The percent mass equals 4.58 grams divided by 23.47 grams times 100%. When you calculate that out, you get that it is 19.5%. So the slush contained 19.5% calcium chloride by mass. Look at another sample problem. How many grams of calcium chloride would be present in 1.20 kilograms of slush? So that's the number we've got. We calculated the percent in the last question. So we're trying to find the mass of the solute. We have been given the mass of the solution, the 1.20 kilograms, and then we have the percent that we calculated in the last question. So we're going to plug those numbers into our equation. So 19.5% equals m over 1.20 kilograms times 100%. So we're going to divide both sides by 100 to convert the percent to a decimal, and then we can multiply across the 1.2 kilograms. So 0.195 times 1.20 kilograms gives us an answer of 0.234 kilograms. Okay, because our solution mass was in kilograms, that means that our solute mass has to be that same unit. In this case, though, the question asks for grams, so we now need to convert that when there are 1,000 grams per kilogram. Kilograms cancel, so we're left with the answer. There are 234 grams of calcium chloride if you had 1.20 kilograms of slush.